Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have some Happy Mail, and this is from Crystal Sky's Hand Dyed. So let's take a look. And she packaged it in a paw print bag. So let's take a look. So this is her minis, because she's been doing mini skeins every month. So let's take a look. And these are called Black Minis. They are 100% superwash merino. I got the Bengal worsted weight. It's 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 220 yards. And then they are called the Black Minis. And here they are. They are adorable. And as you see, as I turn them, they all have specks of black in them. And even the gold one has the black specks. And the green, I love the green and orange one. I mean, come on. That's beautiful. I would love a whole skein of that. And then you've got the red one and the blue. And look at this one. Look at that. But this one right here, I'd love a full skein of that. Oh, and make a great hat. I love that. But these are called the Black Minis. And here is her card. So you can go check her out. I will link her in the description box below. But there they are. And we always get some extras. So let's take a look at the extras. I can get hands to work. Okay, so first we got, they're like flying everywhere. We got some Mentos in different flavors, lemon, mint, and orange Mentos. And we got tea bag and chai. This is chai French vanilla. And in the envelope. Oh, I got another bobbin. I like the color of this one. This is the second bobbin I've gotten from her. The bobbin is done by Krafty Performers. There it is. And this is a yarn bobbin. Wrap your yarn around it for like doing color work. And she tossed in a knitting. This is a knitting stitch marker, and it's a pumpkin. That's so cute. So I absolutely love this. I love getting her yarn. I love these. I've been collecting all of these worsted weight minis. I have a project in mind. Not telling you. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.